Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is another What Makes This YouTuber Great. This is a new series that I started this year and I will have the playlist linked down below. And I kind of tend to do this once a month just to kind of help build community and positivity and just kind of get names out there, you know what I mean? It's just hard as a YouTuber. Sometimes it's just hard to get people to know that you exist, you know? So anyways, this series has been inspired by not a beauty channel, but actually a music channel, a guy by the name of Rick Beato, which has a series called What Makes This Song Great. And even though they're very, very different, it is inspired by that, you know what I mean? So I will have his channel linked down below if you're interested in something like that. But this has also been inspired by a couple of friends of mine here on YouTube that have just really been really good at like building community and doing different tags and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, this is inspired by others and it's meant to lift up others. So I do hope that you enjoy it. So first of all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification. And also sharing videos helps so much. It helps get them out there. Share them with your friends, your cousins, your sisters, brothers, all that kinds of stuff. You know, just sharing videos really, really helps push them out there and just get them in front of people that may be interested and all that good stuff. So without any further chit chat, if you want to see the 3 YouTubers that I am featuring in this episode of What Makes This YouTuber Great, definitely keep on watching. So the first YouTuber that I am going to talk about today is someone I've been connected with for a while now by the name of Michelle, and her channel name is Makeup with Michelle. And Michelle is just such a real authentic person, you know, and that is always going to be a theme that you see, is that people that just seem real, like people that you know. But yeah, me and Michelle, we really are, you know, friends. We do communicate from time to time, and she has a really, really great channel. She does a lot of like 2 looks, 1 palette. She'll do a look on each eye of like a new palette. She has a really awesome makeup collection in general, and she's got a lot of makeup. She's got a lot of foundation, a lot of makeup, but she has a really good collection of like duochrome and multi-chromes from like indie brands and stuff like that, which is amazing. So you'll see her work with those from time to time, which is always amazing. I'm obsessed. But she does really beautiful makeup looks. She does a lot of first impressions and reviews of new makeup. She does like chatty get ready with me's. She has collection videos, and she had one that went like super duper viral like last year sometime, and it was super cool. It was like her entire eyeshadow palette collection, which of course is amazing. And it was so exciting for me to see that happen for her because we had become connected kind of shortly before that, and you know, it just really helped boost her, and she really, really, really deserves it. You know, she's a mom. She's got a story, you know what I mean? She's got a story. I mean, she's a very real person, you know what I mean? When you watch Michelle's channel, I think she's very relatable to a lot of us. She's just like the every girl, which is, again, is just such a compliment, because on YouTube, it can be very hard to be yourself. So anytime I see someone really being very genuine and authentic, I feel it's just very much an accomplishment, you know what I mean? But yeah, and she does also like, you know, like Will I Buy It and, you know, new releases and all that kind of stuff, you know, and those videos are just so fun. So she covers a lot of different ground, and like I said, particularly her 2 look, 1 palette videos, and anytime she does anything with like a duochrome or multi-chrome, I'm just always there for it. And like I said, definitely check out Michelle. I think you'll really like her. She just, I don't know, we instantly, when we became aware of each other, just instantly connected and really became friends. And so definitely go check out Michelle. I think you'll really, really like her. She's just, like I said, just very, very genuine and just has lots of great content. Her videos always look really good. So definitely go check out my friend Makeup with Michelle. I will have her channel linked down below along with her Instagram. So definitely go check her out if all of that sounds good to you. So the second person that I want to feature is someone by the name of Heather Austin. She is absolutely a doll, a joy, just the epitome of sweetness and positivity. She starts her videos out by just saying, we have fun with makeup. That's what we do. And that's what it is. You know what I mean? It's just, her channel is so lighthearted, and she just oozes this positivity, fun vibe. She is just absolutely lovely. She's just absolutely lovely. She has an amazing makeup collection, but really, like, whenever she picks up an eyeshadow palette, usually I don't even think I want it until I see that Heather has it. And then all of a sudden I kind of want it. But I do have very good self-control, so I usually don't buy everything. But she just has like amazing taste in eyeshadow. She's one of those girls that their eyeshadow collection, I just want to raid their eyeshadow collection. It's just amazing. But she's really someone that has a genuine true love of makeup. I mean, absolutely to the core. I mean, I wish I loved makeup half as much as Heather. But she does beautiful eye looks. She loves color. So if you're someone like me where you love color, she is good with it. She does so many fun eye looks with color, and she posts a lot on Instagram, all her eye looks on Instagram, and I can't say enough good things about Heather. So I've seen her channel grow here recently too, which is just amazing to see. It's always amazing to see people do well and thrive, and it's so very well deserved. I think she might be a nurse at a children's hospital in real life, and you get that vibe from her. I mean, I couldn't think of who better. You know what I mean? I couldn't think of who better to be in that position than Heather. Like I said, she is just absolutely the sweetest, one of YouTube's sweetest human beings. Absolutely. So if you go check out Heather, you will not be sorry. She's an absolute doll. Beautiful makeup collection. A lot of stuff, affordable and high-end, kind of in that realm, BH Cosmetics and Profusion and all that kind of stuff. And then she goes into the higher end, Natasha Denona, all that kind of stuff. So if you love stuff in that price point, those price points, you're pretty much covered. So she has a good range of what she purchases, in that way. So definitely go check out Heather Austin. You will not be sorry. Again, I'll have all of Heather's information linked down below, so you can definitely check her out, and I definitely encourage you to. So then the third channel that I want to feature today is a lovely, lovely lady by the name of Kim Nozzolo. And I hope I'm not butchering her last name. It sounds like it might be of Italian descent, and I'm of Italian descent too, so I know our names tend to be butchered, and sometimes we do it worse than anybody. But Kim is just absolutely lovely. And I discovered Kim through her Dollar Tree videos. So all my Dollar Divas, she does a lot of Dollar Tree oriented videos. She'll do hauls, she'll do makeup looks. She also does a lot of TJ Maxx and Marshall's walkthroughs and stuff like that, which are always fun. I wish I could do something like that, but I'm just way too scared and nervous to do it. And so, but she does lots of walkthroughs like that, which is always so fun. I love watching those videos of hers. So she just does a lot of affordable beauty videos. She has some collection videos, and just again, very, very relatable, the every girl, just someone that you can watch, and you can see either yourself or somebody you know in Kim. Like I said, she's just absolutely lovely. Great if you're on a budget, because she just really, really focuses in on the affordable beauty price point, which is just fabulous. She does some dupe videos, she does some review videos, she does some unboxings, just a little bit of everything. So yeah, definitely my Dollar Divas. Definitely, if you love Dollar Tree videos, definitely check her out, because she does lots of Dollar Tree videos as well. Like I said, that's how I discovered her. So again, you will not be sorry if you check out Kim Nozzolo. She is just one of my favorites here on YouTube. So definitely check her out. Again, I'll have her Instagram and her YouTube channel linked down below in the description box, and you will not be disappointed. So thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed another episode of What Makes This YouTuber Great. Again, if you did like this video, also share this video. I can't reiterate how important it is that you share videos and things that you enjoy with people that you know. And please check out all three of these really amazing ladies. And I do understand that not everybody is for everybody. This is just a way to get different channels out there. And everyone's always gonna gravitate towards someone more than someone else. But these are just people and channels that have had meaning in my life. I'm always gonna pick channels and people that have significance to me, that I've discovered that I think is great in some way, either in their personality, their content, their heart, just what they do, their skill. To some degree, this is to promote positivity and to accentuate the positive in people and channels and all that good stuff. So I do hope that you enjoy it. I will have the playlist linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.